Some of the most popular and well-loved lessons that I've ever done have been about emotional piano sounds. So I thought, what a great idea it would be to give you the tools you need to create your own emotional piano music. So I wanted to kind of go through the process, let you inside my brain a little bit so you can see what I'm thinking and what works and why it works the way it does, so that you can take these tools and then go and make your own amazing, super impactful music. So the first ingredient, in my opinion, that you need for an emotional piano song is a minor chord. So I thought today we'd play with D minor. And honestly, one of the easiest ways to just kind of create some drama and some emotion is to play a broken chord, especially when you have a minor. So you could roll like this. I'm just literally going from bottom to top, and then you can add in, let's just add in the root note. Right, sounds really good. And then we need a little bit more. We need some more drama. So every minor has a relative major that exists 1, 2, 3 half steps above the minor. So if we're on a minor, I can just count 1, 2, 3. That sound great? So we have this contrast happening with this minor to the major. And I'm going to tell you, it's going to sound really good to now play a C in your left hand underneath that. And I'll tell you why in a minute. And then B flat. Okay, so let's run through that again. And I want you to pay attention here. I'm going to actually start to change up the order. I'm going to go, let's try bottom, top, middle, bottom. Sounding emotional and heavy and weighted and mysterious already. And how did I know those chords were going to sound good together? Well, I based them off this relative major. So if F is, you know, this is the key that we're in. Technically, we're in a minor key, but this is like a cheat way to think about it, so just bear with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat's the 4th note in the F major scale. It's going to be guaranteed to sound awesome chord in this key. And then C is the 5, which is also another guaranteed to sound awesome chord. So that's why I put it together. And then I just knew my plan was all along, I'm going to always resolve to that minor. So let's play that. Okay, so we've got a theme, but now we're getting bored and we need somewhere to grow, because emotions have many colors. They don't just stay the same, they change. So let's play with, and this is where things get really exciting, let's play with these 5 notes of the D minor scale. So you could really play any of these and they're gonna sound so, so good, but let's just experiment with 1, 2, 3, and 5. So we're gonna keep this left hand, rolling through those chords we talked about. Okay, and we're gonna start to build some drama. So notice that I'm like quiet and then loud. This is so important to creating an emotional impact. Have somewhere to build. Don't start big, start small. Right, okay, so that sounds good. Now, you can mix and match those. Swap it around. Start from the top and go down. And then bring it back and then maybe come up an octave. And then like dramatic pause. Make everybody think that you're done. And then I feel like the element of surprise is also really important. So let's take a quick moment to review. We start with our minor chord because we need the drama. Broken chords work awesome. You can use them in root position or inversions, whatever you like. There's something super dramatic about keeping that right hand where it is and layering it over top of other chords that work in that family. We're going to link you up below this. We have a lesson on diatonic chords that will help you understand more about this, and we have a lesson on the pop chord progression, which will help you understand more about this. But the main thing is, if you keep this guy here, move from the D minor to the F, to the C, to the B flat, you're creating this like tension and contrast that's amazing. And then from there, you've got those 5 notes of the D minor scale that you can play with that are really safe and close to the hand. Feel free to expand beyond that, but I think that's a good starting point. And then you can just pick a pattern, mix and match it, and then from there it's all about dynamics and drama and contrast. So go up high, go down low, tail off, be soft, and then be big and dramatic, and just have fun. So I hope this sparks some creativity and some ideas for you. Comment below and let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you.